Do you believe that by lowering your prices, you are going to get more clients? That by giving more, buy less, you are going to attract your potential client? Well, let me tell you that you are wrong. Hi, my name is Anna, and in this video, I'm going to show you why lowering your prices won't bring you in more clients. So this is a very common question that everyone asks. How can I get people to follow me and to be loyal to me? Most people believe by giving coupons and lowering their prices, you are going to attract clients. Because if you give more quality for a lower price, people are going to stay with you. Well, let me clarify something here. Money is not something that motivates people. Paying less is not going to keep them loyal. People are not buying from you because of money. They are buying from you because of something deep down, because of something that any human being wants. Those things are called the principles of persuasion. And I'm going to explain to you how they work and how you can start using them right now to start getting loyal fans instead of losing your profit and losing revenue. So the principle number one is the principle of reciprocity. It means if I give you, you give me back. What does it mean in sales? Well, if you give something for free, any sort of value, free trial, a coupon, free help, free advice, people owe you. You already help them with no interest of nothing, and you help them solve a specific problem. So as a return, they're going to, buy from you because they owe it to you. That is called reciprocity. Number two, liking. People buy from people they like and trust. That's why you need to do your marketing in some way that you get to show yourself as someone likable, someone to be trusted, and as a friend. People buy to friends, not to company. So you need to make your salespeople the friends of your clients. That's how they're gonna buy from you. The next is scarcity. People buy something if it's not going to be available all the time, if it's running low. So if you do advertising that says we only have 10 pieces left, this course is only available for 20 people, it's not going to last a lot of time, people are going to buy from you right now. Why? Because they know that that promotion or that offer is not going to be available all the time. It's going to end up soon. The next principle of persuasion is authority. So if people see you as an authority level, as a respected figure in your industry, they are going to buy from you because you usually go to the doctor or you go with an expert when you need help. And if you are seen as the expert of that problem, you are the person who gives the medicine of that problem. People are going to buy from you. So make sure that you position yourself as the authority of your industry. The next principle is called consistency. That means that you always give the same amount of quality or that you always give what you promise. If you have a restaurant and you always promise quality food and then you lower your quality, people are going to leave because you are not being consistent. You are not selling what you promise. So you better maintain the quality and all of the promises that you said when you were selling to your clients. And last but not least is called social proof. People buy what their community likes, what their community buys. So they are going to ask their neighbors if they like your product. And if your client's neighbors approves you, then they're going to buy from you. Usually we as humans need a referral or need the backup from someone we trust. So we need to see testimonials, we need to see referrals, and we ask our friends what's their opinion about the thing that we want to buy. So you better have a nice reputation in your community because otherwise people are not going to trust you. They always trust their friend first. Now you follow all of these advices, instead of just lowering their prices, people are going to stay, loyal to you. This does not mean that you need to use the 6 principles at a time. You can start using one at a time. Use the one that works better for your offer depending on the type of business that you have. But the point here is to have a strategy behind what we are selling and not just lowering our prices for the sake of lowering them. So if you like this video and if you want to watch more free content, if you want to be a part of our entrepreneurial community, I invite you to join our free Facebook group, in which you will see a lot of content, you will meet a lot of friends, and you will get your answers solved. So thank you for watching, and I hope you like this video. I see you on the next one. Bye.